So a start question again, which is asking us to explain in clear detail using proper language and so forth. So this is about circle theorems, and we've got to find the angle ABC, so ABC, so they're after this angle here, in terms of y. So we've got to look at this picture and try and break it down into things that we know. Well, we can see straight away that there's the classic kite picture where the angle at the centre is twice the angle at the circumference when subtended from the same arc. So there's the arc. So we know then that this one must be y over 2. Now again, you can give reasons around the picture if it's easier. So we can say angle at the circumference is half the angle at the centre. That sentence would be enough to give you the communication mark for explaining why you've chosen that particular answer for this angle. You could have also said the angle at the centre is twice the angle of the circumference when subtended from the same arc AC. There's lots of ways you could explain that, but as long as you get the key language in, that the angle at the circumference is related to the angle at the centre in some way. So if we know that's y over 2, we can then see we've got a cyclic quadrilateral. So we've got a cyclic quadrilateral going on from D to A to B to C. Now we have to remember cyclic quadrilaterals, all the 4 vertices must touch the circumference to be a cyclic quadrilateral. So we can't use the quadrilateral AOCB as a cyclic quadrilateral because O is not on the circumference, it's the centre of the circle. But the theory says that the opposite angles will add to 180 degrees. So we can get the angle ABC. So angle ABC equals 180 degrees minus y over 2. And the reason, so the angle ABC equals 180 minus y over 2. And the reason is opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees. So that's why we chose the sum 180 minus y over 2. And that's enough to get the 4 marks. You explained why this angle happened, and you explained why we've gone to this angle. It said write it in terms of y, and that's what that means in terms of y. 180 minus y over 2.